Alright, let's fly through this one. We're going to be converting between vertex and standard to vertex. One is way easier than the other. Again, this formula and this formula will be provided on the standard formula sheet when you take the EOC. Okay? Boop. So, also, it's easy to graph vertex form. We've been practicing with vertex form, way easier. You'll find that standard form is a little difficult, still doable, but a little more difficult. But when you have vertex form, it's real easy. So, let's convert this vertex form to standard form. Okay? Guys, just follow the order of operations. You may want to dig deep and go back to your Punnett square idea, but we need to do this polynomial first. So x negative 2, x negative 2. I'm doing this because remember it's squared. X squared, negative 2x, negative 2x, 4. So x squared minus 4x plus 4. So 3, this 3, x squared minus 4x plus 4. And this plus 4 is brought down. Distribute the 3, so 3x squared minus, oh boy, minus 12x plus 12 plus 4, and we get, combine like terms, plus 16. Let's see if I'm right. Boom! Nailed it. Again, see, in this case we broke it up, multiplied it. Could use the Punnett square for that. Distribute the 3. Combine like terms. Nailed it. Again, we're just multiplying. Go ahead and pause the video and try this one out on your own. Alright, here we go. Up, 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 up. Boom. Did you get it right? Again, Punnett squares if you need it. Okay. X, 3, x, 3, x squared, 3x, 3x, 9. Combine x squared plus 6x plus 9. See, that's where it came from. Combine like terms. Right there, 8. Okay. One more. Pause the video. Try this one out. All right, here we go. Boop. Punnett squares again. Distribute the 2. Combine like terms. Again, pause the video. Try this one out if you want. All right. Bam. Did you get it right? Good job. You didn't? Go back and check your work. So, now we got to go from standard to vertex. These are the steps to do so. So, I want to scroll down a little more, but just pause as you need. Okay. Here's the key. Step 2. This formula you need to memorize. But first of all, 1, take the value of A. Boom. It's in the same for both equations. Sweet. You need this formula because that's going to equal H. And remember, H is part of the vertex. Okay? Once you know H, plug it in for all the X's so we can find K. Again, vertex. Then we have A, H, and K. We're going to plug it in to the vertex formula. Boom. Let's try one out. Now, this should look familiar. We've seen this already. Okay, we're going to go backwards with this one. So we already know what it should look like. Let's see if we can get there. So, A value, 3. B value, -12. C value, 16. Guess what? We don't need C. We do need A. Check. Using B. Here we go. -B over 2A. Plug in what you know. Boom, boom, boom. Bam. Over 2A. Boom. 3. Two negatives make a positive. 2, 3, 6. 2 equals H. Check. Plug it in. 3. Use parentheses when you substitute. Can't say that enough in this class. 16. 2 squared, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Boom. -12 times 2. Negative 24. 16. Sorry, it's getting late. I'm going to bed. What's this? -12 plus 16? Subtract. Let me stick it under here. Brain's starting to slow down. 4. Okay. Check. Again, we're plugging it all into this bad boy. So 3x minus 2 plus 4. Don't forget the squared. Pretty sure this is right. Let's check. Boom. Looking good, looking good, looking good. All right. Skadoosh. We got it right. Again, if you don't like my notes, you can check these out. Pause the video as needed. But I am just that good. One more. Boom. Pause the video. Try it out. Don't forget, you need this formula. All right, here we go. A, 1. B, 6. C, 8. We don't need the C. We do have A. -B over 2A. -6 over 2 times 1. -6 over 2. -3 is H. Man, I'm just that good. Let's go ahead and just substitute. Parentheses, -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 8. Again, this will equal our K. 9, -18 plus 8 equals K. 9, let's combine that. That'd be -10. 9 minus 10. -1 equals K. Boom. Boom. Let's plug it all in. So, A, 1, we really don't need it. 2 negatives. See, if I plug in a negative, see this idea right here? 2 negatives make a positive. We'll change that in a second. We got the -1 for the K, so that should be a negative. So let's dress it up. Boom. Ugh, let me try that again. Boom. Let's see if I'm right. Boom. Bam. Yeah. Again, pause the video, try it out. All right, let's check your answers. Boom. Pow. Did you get it right? All right, that's it. All right, and we just got to practice. Whew, did that in record time, less than 10 minutes. Go me.